Trade Confident family, how is everyone doing today? We are going to take a look at Dogecoin. Along with the rest of the market, we saw a massive pump to the upside yesterday, hit resistance, and are now on our way back down. I think this is going to be a shorter term drop followed by a much larger move to the upside on into next week. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where my targets are and why. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us today, and if you enjoy, please be sure to like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. Sad news here. I know everyone was really looking forward to the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout today. Unfortunately, Travis is not feeling well, so we are going to have to postpone for now. But good news here. Our next future forecast video is coming out tomorrow. So if you want your questions answered, be sure to send us an email at betradeconfident@gmail.com. And Travis is going to do his best to include that in the members only content tomorrow. Heads up, as of today, we are 165 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. This last trade was sand called out on March 14th. Easy trade win there. And that piggybacks off the wins that we had yesterday. Atom for 5%. Algo for 5%, Ethereum for 5%, and Matic for 5%. Lots and lots of trade wins, and if you haven't yet, you can check out the open trades in our trade setup page. Last bit of information here, you have only 2 days left for our $650 off spring indicator sale to snag our indicators at one of the best prices we've ever seen. More on that later, but for now, let's jump into the analysis. I'm heading down to Dogecoin, and the first metric I'm taking a look at is the Dogecoin Emotional Index. Now, what you're seeing here is an anxious reading. This is the first time we've actually dropped into anxious territory since Dogecoin really took off, and this is something we need to take into consideration. At this point, Dogecoin is much more volatile, so even an anxious reading is going to be very, very bullish. As the price increases, we should see a raise up in the emotional index, and as we see excited or greedy territory, this is where you're going to want to consider possibly taking some profits. Most often, a greedy or excited reading will count as a reversal in price. Next up, I want to talk to you about whale money. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, and the whale smart money metric is going to show you exactly where whale money is likely to head next. We still have a tiny bit of long trade sentiment, but at this point, I feel as though you can consider it neutral. This orange bar is so small, we are about to transition towards short trade sentiment, though that may change tomorrow because we are seeing price decreases on the live charts now. As this plays out, if you see short trade sentiment bars, especially long ones like we see back here, this is where we should be expecting further moves down, just as we saw here. Now, this shows you what whales are likely to do soon. Let's check out what whales are doing today with the whale money flow relative to price chart. This is showing whale money moving into the market over the past 3 days. And of course, this has correlated to an increase of price. Once again, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So as long as whale money continues upward, we should expect upward movements in price as well. Watch out though, because if whale money decides to exit Dogecoin, we have to be ready for major drops in Dogecoin as well. Last but not least is going to be the Dogecoin trade signals chart. We recently got a buy signal. We got a quick drop from there, followed by a massive move up. And as the price continues upwards, I'm going to be looking for a sell signal just as we saw back here. Once you see a sell signal, this is going to signal a possible move down and a potential exit for your Dogecoin trade. As this plays out, you're going to want to pay attention to every single one of these metrics. And when you see multiple bearish signals align, it could signal the next move down in Dogecoin. These update every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time, and as a member, you can access the Dogecoin metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. We're so sorry we couldn't see you today for the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout, but we'll see you tomorrow for the future forecast videos and on our trade setups page. We got more analysis coming, but stay tuned. If you want to snag this membership, links are going to be down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is going to be the second link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Price increases up to $65 a month are coming April 20th. All you got to do is scroll down, click subscribe now, Follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts, we're looking at Dogecoin USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Here on the 1-day time frame, Dogecoin is looking fairly neutral in its signals. Price versus while money flow is locally low. I do want to point that out, locally low, but not quite as low as it could be. We still have plenty of room to move down. Trades in favor shows a 56% chance of a pump. So fairly neutral readings on the 1-day time frame. If we head to the 4-hour, things are actually bearish, unfortunately. Price versus while money flow is very high. No neutral reading, solidly bearish. Whales have overbought and are likely to begin moving money out of the market soon. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, and we're already seeing a drop in Dogecoin. As the price drops, downward momentum is going to pick up. We're going to see the trades in favor drop and drop and drop, and as we near the bottom, as downward momentum slows down, we should see a push into the long trade zone, at which point it should be time to move up. Price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and especially if we get a buy signal like we did back here near a structure support, these three signals typically result in significant moves up. But here's the good news. Once the price drops to that point on the 1-day time frame, we should see price versus while money flow low and trades in favor low as well. Once both the 4-hour and the 1-day time frame are showing bullish, this should push the price up quite high. We're talking as high as 18.247 cents once again. Of course, we are first going to have to break 15.88 cents. I think this will be an easy task. Really, the main point that's going to cause this, the main catalyst for this market, is going to be money moving back into Bitcoin. As soon as that happens, the rest of the market should skyrocket along with it. Now, one of the most important things to do is going to be watching these indicators closely. Of course, we can't stay in front of the computers all day, and especially not at night. Here's how we're countering that. First, on the 4-hour time frame, I want to show you how to set alerts. This will tell you automatically when major moves have happened in the market and when it could be a good time to buy. You're going to go to the alerts tab, and the first one you're going to set up, keep in mind we're on the 4-hour, looking at Dogecoin USD. This is going to ensure alerts are set to this time and trading pair. We're going to switch it to the trades in favor, once per bar close, and then we're going to name it Doge 4-hour watch for pump. Click create, and what's going to happen here now is as soon as the trades in favor, remember we need to see the price drop, downward momentum run out. As soon as we push into the long trade zone, it's going to send us an alert. So even if we're out at lunch or something, we see it's a good time to possibly enter the market. We can pull out our phones, open up our laptops, however it is you trade, and do what we need to do. Now, to really ensure we get good signals, create another alert and set it to the TC top and bottom finder. You're going to want to set 2 alerts here, one for a buy signal, one for a strong buy signal. 2 separate things. You're going to want to do this twice. Buy signal once per bar close, alert name, Doge 4-hour buy or strong buy if that's the one you're setting. Click create, and this will help you catch the next possible move up. Very exciting. Now, if we head to the 1-day time frame, this is where we're going to see a drop. And I'm sorry, guys, I completely forgot to go over targets. Let's talk about that real quick, too. As the price drops before that next move to 15 or even 18 cents, we're going to be looking for a drop to anywhere between 13.91 cents and 12.275 cents. So a drop to somewhere between these structure supports before a bounce as high as 18 cents. And of course, we could go much higher from there, but we're going to have to reevaluate once that time comes. You can set these same exact alerts that I just showed you, 4-hour buy, 4-hour watch for pump on the 1-day time frame. This will ensure that you get signals for both time frames, and when both time frames line up, it'll be like the stars aligning. Dogecoin is going to see a pretty significant move to the upside if historical data has anything to say about it. Now, of course, the last bit of information you need is how to actually snag these indicators for yourself. Lucky for you, they are on a massive sale right now, $650 off, and you have 2 days left. Not much time, guys. You're going to want to snag these as soon as possible. This is one of the largest sales we've ever done. Check it out. Once again, the links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the first link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our indicator sale page. 2 days left, $650 off. Members are going to get the largest discount. It's actually significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code at this link, click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, and combined with that membership code, gets you a full $650 discount. Add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in tomorrow's future forecast video. Don't miss out.